What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Julie Trades back at it again with another video. As you guys can see, today we're gonna do a trade recap, and to be honest, it's been a minute since I did a trade recap for you guys because I just achieved what I specifically want to achieve when I started this journey, which was becoming a profitable trader, starting from zero, which really happened. I actually requested 2 payouts, so there's a lot of talk that I did, so you guys can go and watch the video. I will leave link in the description. So today we actually took a trade, easy trade, guys. Specifically, I think NASDAQ is gonna fill out this gap and we're gonna jump to the upside. The buyers are literally, I can guarantee you guys, the buyers are literally waiting in this area. Once we tap to the zone, bang, we're gonna make a V-shaped recovery. The price is just gonna go up so in a crazy way. Anyways, today we actually took a mini trade, as you guys can see. So the reason I took this trade, I will give you an analysis later on, but so far, guys, the NASDAQ have been in the bearish sentiment. If we broke this low, especially this 4-hour low, guys, there's a high chance we're gonna take out all these draws of liquidity and potentially we are in a bearish zone. But that is my prediction. Maybe we might make a V-shaped recovery and go to the upside. If the Iran war just keep going, there is a high chance the war is going to lead these stocks and indexes to go to the downside, because sometimes we have seen the war specifically doesn't affect the stocks. It was just going to the upside, ripping, making all-time highs before 2-3 months ago. Anyways, this week is going to be crazy. Apple, Microsoft, Meta, every high-tech companies are going to make earning reports. I think that is why we're getting this retracement, because most of the companies are going to beat earnings, which is going to lead the price to go to the upside significantly. So besides today, guys, tomorrow I am bullish. Wednesday there's a FOMC. Anyways, guys, I'll give you the trade recap and the reason why I took this trade and the confluences that I use that align with my strategy. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video for sure. Next video is going to be about how did I get a payout, guys. I actually trade this on my prop firm account, so if I get a payout, that will be my next video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's leave this and let's dive in on the trade that we took right here. Look at the trend. We left a new week opening gap. The gap was all the way like this. It was so huge. We made a new opening gap. We made and left a lot of low resistance draws of liquidity, both on Asia and London. So London is this low, Asia is this low. So all those you see here are Asia low resistance draws of liquidity, and this one is London lows. I'll say it again: Asia manipulation, London reversal, US continuation. As you guys can see, we are still dumping, which I knew that will happen because every time we left a new week opening gap, there is a high chance we are going to fill that gap as soon as possible. So I'll get a manipulator around here, but when we go to 15-minute, once we make a breakout structure right here, making a higher time from SMT, you might think, oh Julian, we didn't make any SMT. Oh yes, we did actually made a SMT. There you go. We made bearish SMT, sweeping some draws of liquidity on the high tech, failed to make a new high. Bang. This is where I was so 100% sure it's time for us to enter sell. I wish I can risk more and make more money, but I need to stick with this consistency rule of the prop firm. Anyways, the point of that I got manipulated was right here, because sometimes NASDAQ make a V-shaped recovery and strictly goes to the upside if it's high bullish, but I think right now we are in bearish trend on the NASDAQ and US 500 and S&P 500. So once we made a V-shaped recovery and rejected of these highs, once we swept them, and guys, we inverse this gap right here. This is my This is where I entered, then bang, full TP got hit. So this was an easy trade that we took today. I mean, I wish we could target all these lows, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So guys, this was the reason that I took this trade, the strategy that I used. And if you guys want to learn my strategy for free, make sure you email me. I'll leave my business email down in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, make sure you email me as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.